how to connect ActiveCampaign to n8n step by step. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect ActiveCampaign to n8n step by step so you can automate your email marketing and CRM workflow without writing a single line of code. So let's get started. So before you start, if you want to use the cloud version of n8n, click the link in the description below to get started instantly. So let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is just create an account on Market Campaign, and what we need is go to our automation. This is my testing. Now what you have to do is add a node over here. So basically what we are going to do is we will set up the ActiveCampaign API connection inside the n8n. For that, just search for ActiveCampaign, and then from here you have to choose action, create an account, delete an account, create an account contact. So whatever you want to do with this node, you can choose action from here, and you have the triggered as well. Right now I have choose triggered when click executed workflow. So I will choose create an account. Now it will open something like this. Click on this and click on this create new credential option. So now, what we need is API URL and API key. So what we are going to do is we will going to Market Campaign and get the API key and API URL. So and then we finally trigger that. We can finally trigger that. Now I have already created account. So this is my account. This is ActiveCampaign. So okay. So this is in the left side, you will get to see there is an option setting in this left side bottom. Click on the setting, and after that you have to go to developer option. Just click on it and you will get the API access and the key. So we first copy your API URL and paste into API URL. Now go back to your marketing campaign, copy this REST API key and paste into API key. Now click on the save button in the top. It will test, and as you can see here, the connection has been established successfully. Now once the connection is set up, you will be able to automate add leads from form or other tools directly into your ActiveCampaign. You can trigger personalized email campaign from any app. You can synchronize data between ActiveCampaign and platform like Google Sheet, Calendly, or even CRM, all in real time. So how you can do that is, if you're very beginner, it's just I will demonstrate a small how you can do that. So let's say this is your workflow and I have added this node and I am giving this resource to create an account. First you have to choose the resource which is like account contacts, connection contacts, contact list. After choosing the resources, you have to choose the operation, which is create, delete, get many, update, and custom API call. Now over here you have to add a name. So it is basically I will create a resource. The operation is of the resource is account. It will create an account in the name of for account 1, and just click on this execute step. Now as you can see in the output, we have successfully added our account resource into our ActiveCampaign, which is the name is account 1. You can get all the details in the form of table. Now let's go back to our application or website, and from here you can go to contacts and go to accounts. Now wait for a few seconds. As you can see here, it is automatically added account over here. Let's add another, and this time we have 2, and again execute this step. And if you go back and refresh this page, so it will add this account. So this is how you can automate it workflow. If you want video on that, how you can do a lot of things, like how you can automatically add leads from form or other tool directly into ActiveCampaign, or how you can trigger personalized email campaign from any app, just comment it down below. I will create video for that. Thanks for watching.